Hey y'all, what's up? So today I am on my way to Michael's to grab some t-shirts. I got an order for a family set or whatever of 6 shirts. I am at the gas station right now. Alright, so I went to Michael's. I had ordered my shirts online and then just went and picked them up. As I was completing the shirts, I realized that they gave me the wrong size. So eventually I will go back and correct that. But now let's get into this video. I am in my Cricut design space. This is my design that I created. So now I'm just going to be cutting them out by color. You want to make sure that you mirror the image as well. And you hit, if you're doing glitter iron on, everyday iron on, then you want to make sure you hit those options. And now what the system is doing is measuring the vinyl, and now it's gonna cut. Y'all, I love my new Cricut 3. Like, seriously, it prints out so much faster. I love the fact that it measures the vinyl for you, as well as the speed of it. Like, literally, it's so fast. I love it. Alright, so once everything is printed out, I will be showing you how I layer on the different colors to the shirt. Alright, so now that all my images are cut out, I weeded them all. Now I'm going to start pressing them on the shirt. I have my heat press at 320 degrees and pressing it for 20 seconds. This is the layering process when you have multiple colors. And I still need to go to Michael's to correct that one size to finish that last shirt. But this is what the shirts look like when